There's something to know about sailing and ropes. The tighter you pull, the faster you go. As long as the fine's on your back, then you'll know the horizon is quickly approaching. There's something worth saying about loosening up when the wind isn't billowing quite like it was, and how turning your boat away from the rocks is the best way to get where you're going. What I'm trying to say is sailing and adjusting your path is a whole lot like living, no matter where you're at. Everything is progress, so keep following your map and hold your course. Hold your course. Hold your course. Hold your course. There's something to know about riding a bike. Once you learn how to do it, well, you know it for life. That doesn't mean every trip will be fine. Every time there's a chance you might fall. So there's something worth saying about skinning your knee. Nasty and bleeding, though it may be. Now it's a lesson you can easily see, so you know next time how to pedal. What I'm trying to say is biking, no matter how rough, is less about riding than how you get up. Progress is trying and trying tonight to hold your course. 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 stop to watch the flowers bloom. Every day we wait for something new. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Look around, there's so much here to see. If you open your eyes, there's nothing we can't do. As we keep on getting older, all of the nights seem colder. Don't need to move a boulder, just watch the flowers bloom. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home. Ooh, there's beauty in the things we know. Ooh, I'ma take the long way home.
It's a one-way ticket world on a runaway train. It's a lifetime searching for the beauty and pain. It's a long way to the last word of a never-ending page. It's like looking at your scars to remind you of your strength.